Alright, so today we're going to talk about the soft palate and the tongue. We'll start over here with the soft palate. So we have the levator velli palatini kind of extending it as a ramp from the pharyngo tympanic tube seen here all the way to the medial pterygoid plate. I cut that away on this side to reveal the tensor velli palatini, which is more medial and anterior. And it is also going to extend and wrap around the pterygoid hamulus of the medial pterygoid plate seen here. Then we have the musculus uvulae and the palatopharyngeus muscles seen here. All these muscles are going to help elevate and tense the soft palate during speaking and swallowing. Primarily they're innervated by the vagus nerve, the pharyngeal branch, except for the tensor velli palatini. Its motor innervation comes from the mandibular branch of cranial nerve 5, the trigeminal nerve. Their sensory innervation, though, is all going to come from the lesser palatine nerve. Now, the last soft palate muscle we have here is the palatoglossus muscle, and it's kind of the first artery you see when you look into your mouth. And it's going to extend from the soft palate to the tongue, as we can see here. It's also innervated by the vagus nerve as well as the lesser palatine nerve. Then we have the intrinsic muscles of the tongue. We have the superior and inferior longitudinal muscles seen here. They're going to help curl the tongue upward and downward respectively. We have the vertical muscles seen here. They're going to help flatten and protrude the tongue. And then we have the transverse muscles. We can only see their ends here because they're going to be coming out towards you. And they are going to help narrow and protrude the tongue as well. The extrinsic muscles of the tongue are the genioglossus, seen here, the big fan structure. Then the hyoglossus, kind of sheet extending perpendicular to that, as well as the styloglossus extending from the styloid process onto to attach to the tongue. And all these muscles, their motor innervation is going to come from cranial nerve 12, the hypoglossal nerve. And then the anterior 2/3 for taste is going to come from the chorda tympani, from the facial nerve. For general sensory, that will come from the lingual branch of the mandibular branch from the trigeminal nerve. And then the posterior 1/3 taste and general sensation is going to come from the glossopharyngeal nerve, cranial nerve 9. And then there's other things back here to help you get oriented. The stylohyoid is in this area. The stylopharyngeus is posterior to these muscles. The mylohyoid and the genohyoid are kind of below, closer to the surface of the skin. All right.